Last May, I did a job shadowing stay at Heiliger College Secondary School in Heist-op-den-Berg, Belgium. The main objective of the stay was to learn about new ways of working with business simulation companies and to share experiences between both institutions, Heiliger College and Institut Provençana, as well as to explore the options for future collaboration. We also visited some internship companies such as Ecobos, the parent company of Green 7, the simulated company of Belgian Institute, which also received students for internship. We were also able to visit a transport company and a public center for social welfare, where students handle administrative documentation. We also had time for cultural activities and we could spend some few hours of sightseeing in Antwerp. In addition, the students of Heiliger College and employees of Green 7 organized a regional fair of simulated companies where we were able to trade with them and exchange products between Green 7 and Repaper, our company at Institut Provençana. On the last day, the teachers of Heiliger College organized a Mexican fiesta after work to say goodbye to a sensational week full of experiences. I bought some piñatas for the fiesta and filled them with sweets to share with the rest of the staff of the institute. Heel erg bedankt, heißt es. We hope to see you again very soon.